What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. 3D printing has genuinely leveled up in the last couple years. Multicolor printing is now practically standard. Print speeds have gotten wild, and calibration that used to take forever now happens automatically in a click. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, from a bulk production 19-color monster to a genuinely beginner-friendly mini printer built for kids. I'll cover the specs, what each one's actually best for, the pros and cons, and my pick at the end, depending on your experience level and what you're printing. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra X. The ANYCUBIC Kobra X offers native 4-color printing, high speed, and auto leveling, with a maximum of 19 colors possible when paired with 4 ACE 2 Pro units and a large build volume marketed for bulk production, model sellers, and print farms. That 19-color maximum with the ACE 2 Pro units is a genuinely huge deal for anyone running a print farm or selling printed models, since color matching or hand-painting finished prints is a massive time sink most hobbyist and small business printers deal with constantly. Being explicitly built and marketed for bulk production and print farms also tells you this is designed for durability and reliability across long, repeated print runs, not just for the occasional weekend project. Pros: up to 19 colors possible with add-on units. Large build volume for bigger prints. Built specifically for bulk, repeated production. Auto leveling for consistent results across runs. Best pick if you're running a print farm, selling printed models, or need serious multicolor bulk production capability. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi-Material DIY IFS Creation. The FLASHFORGE AD5X offers 4-color multi-material printing at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second with one-click printing, DIY IFS creation support, full auto calibration, and automatic filament backup. 600 millimeters per second is genuinely fast for a multi-material printer specifically, since managing multiple filaments and color changes typically slows things down compared to single-material printing. So maintaining that speed here is a real engineering achievement. Automatic filament backup is also a standout practical feature, seamlessly switching to a backup spool if you run out mid-print instead of leaving you with a failed wasted print. Pros: very fast 600 millimeters per second speed even with multi-material printing. Automatic filament backup prevents failed prints from running out mid-job. Full auto calibration saves setup time. DIY IFS support for custom material creations. Best pick if speed and reliability during longer multicolor print jobs matter most to you. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X CoreXY 300 degrees Celsius Direct Drive. This FLASHFORGE AD5X variant uses a CoreXY design for 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, multicolor capability, one-click auto leveling, a 370 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, and a 222 by 222 by 222 millimeter build volume. That 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder is the standout spec here, since it means this printer can handle more advanced higher temperature materials, like certain engineering-grade materials, that lower temperature extruders simply can't process properly. CoreXY design is also worth mentioning specifically, since it generally delivers more precise and consistent motion than simpler Cartesian designs, especially at higher speeds, which directly supports the precision this model is marketed around. Pros: high 300 degrees Celsius extruder temperature for advanced filaments. CoreXY design for precise, consistent motion at speed. Fast 600 millimeters per second printing with auto leveling. Multicolor capability. Best pick if you want precision and compatibility with higher temperature advanced filaments matter most to you. Number 4. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 2 Combo. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 2 Combo uses a CoreXY design for 500 millimeters per second high-speed multicolor printing with canvas, one-click full auto leveling, a 350 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, and a 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume. That 350 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature is the highest on this entire list, pushing even further into advanced high-temperature filament territory than the FLASHFORGE Precision Pick, combined with the largest build volume here at 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters. This is genuinely built for people who want to print bigger objects using more demanding materials without sacrificing multicolor capability or speed in the process. Pros: highest 350 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature on this list. Largest 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume. Fast 500 millimeters per second CoreXY multicolor printing. One-click full auto leveling. Best pick if you want to print larger objects using the most demanding, highest temperature filaments available. Number 5. Entina Tina 2C. The Entina Tina 2C is a fully assembled mini 3D printer built for kids and beginners, ready to start printing in 8 minutes with app and Wi-Fi control, auto leveling, a library of over 3,000 models, and more than 20 creative DIY modules for STEM learning at home. This is a completely different category from the rest of this list. Rather than chasing speed or multicolor precision, it's built to be genuinely approachable, arriving fully assembled and ready to print in just 8 minutes, rather than requiring hours of setup and calibration that would frustrate a beginner or a kid. Having a built-in library of over 3,000 models is also a big deal for new users specifically, since figuring out what to actually print is often the biggest hurdle when you're just starting out. Pros: fully assembled, ready to print in 8 minutes. Built-in library of 3,000 plus models removes the guesswork. App and Wi-Fi control for easy operation. Genuinely designed for kids and STEM learning. Best pick if you or your kid are completely new to 3D printing and want the easiest possible starting point. Quick recap. Best for bulk production and print farms, the ANYCUBIC Kobra X. Fastest with filament backup reliability, the FLASHFORGE AD5X multi-material. Best precision with high-temp filament support, the FLASHFORGE AD5X CoreXY. Largest build volume with the highest nozzle temperature, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 2 combo. Best true beginner and kids starter, the Entina Tina 2C. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more maker and tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which one you're picking. See you in the next one.